What does the typical day of a data scientist look like? Contrary to the popular belief that a data scientist keeps churning math and stats and creating models, there are actually a lot of things that happen in the day-to-day life of a data scientist. To begin with, just look at data for a long time. And even before that, sometimes collecting data. So then I would actually end up cleaning up the data to get a better insight from the data and then figuring out what kind of models I can build from the data. Then I end up talking to various stakeholders to narrow down what models make sense, to see what models would move the needle and come up with the simplest possible thing that I can implement first. And eventually I might iterate to actually add more complexity to the models that I'm building to get better and better results later. Then of course I would end up building models and testing models and debugging code. So just like writing any other piece of software, writing ML models, building ML models also involves debugging code, and it often takes a long time, just like debugging always takes a long time in software development. Then in data science, there is typically a phase of evaluation where I come up with the right evaluation metrics, that's important, and then I do a lot of parameter tuning. So parameter tuning is basically figuring out what parameters work best for my model, and this could take a really long time because the space of my parameters is usually so huge that I might end up trying various combinations of parameters which would give my model, which would make my model give the best outcome. And this usually, the time taken for this depends on the architecture of my system, how powerful my computing is, where I'm running my code, and so on. How parallel can I make it, and so on. Another important aspect is offline evaluation, where I actually measure some kind of business metrics that I can even before deploying my code. And then once I do that, and once I see that my model is actually working to some extent, at least on a subset of the data maybe, I would actually think of, building the production architecture. So this is something that I would do right in the beginning actually and get reviewed, because I want to make sure it's possible to have a meaningful prod architecture and deployment framework for the model I'm building. But at this point, after I know the model is working, I would try to actually go into the nitty-gritties of implementing my prod architecture and the deployment uh, details. So then I would actually write the ML pipeline and deploy the model with the help of various team members. And I would also end up spending time analyzing if my models have impact. So this could involve looking at live feedback from what customers are saying and live feedback from various kinds of statistics I had designed to be collected from the models so that I can see whether it's working or not. So if I find that the model has a positive impact on the business, that's good. Else I need to figure out what went wrong. I would also spend some time in the day thinking of improvements. So what else can I do next? What models can I build next? What can I do in this pipeline to improve stuff? What other problems can I solve? So I think of a lot of things to do. Finally, I want to reiterate that all these are done with meeting with various stakeholders and team members. So sometimes there are daily sprints. In some cases, where a lot of coordination is required. For example, when stuff is being deployed and things are changing day to day, I might actually end up interacting with team members every day. There could be bug triages, something goes wrong in production, and then I would want to figure out what in my model went wrong. And finally, I would interact with all the time with various stakeholders and various people in my data science ecosystem in my team, such as the ML manager whom I report to, product manager who came up with what problem to solve and is giving me continual feedback, developers, and data engineers. Thank you.